Super short and sweet update for week number 5 for the i1500 versus the Heli 2.0. Last week we had 29 kilowatt hours on the Heli 2.0. We've got 34 kilowatt hours today. Last week we had 40 kilowatt hours on the i1500, 47 kilowatt hours today. You can actually see right now it's got a pretty decent blow where that Heli was making, over 1,000 watts per second there. They're running real close to each other right now. You got a good wind. It seems to work best if I got wind coming out of the north. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. Now, doesn't seem like a big jump over last week, but that's because we have only really had wind a little bit today, and yesterday it was blowing sticks and rocks all over the place. I couldn't hardly go outside. Calm all the rest of the time. Anyway, that's that for now. Again, we'll be following up on this weekly for a while longer, just to see what it does. I want to keep track of this for a few months at least. I am hoping that after the beginning of the year, we'll be able to try some different blades on the Heli, see if that has a change in output. So, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, stuff like that, post them below. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see. I'll add it to my list, and have a wonderful day and a Merry Christmas.